best way to clean bathroom sink drain hair, or how to clean sink faucet buildup. Welcome to this channel for all things home and living for modern women. My name is Florence Straka. In today's video, I am going to show you the best way to clean your bathroom sink drain hair, or how to clean your bathroom sink faucet buildup. So to start cleaning this, just a few days ago I realized that my bath water is not flowing well as it usually does, and so when that happens, you know there's something going on, or there is buildup in your faucet, or it's clogged. So we wash our hairs every time, and there are other things too. So I'm going to show you how you can do this on your own. As a woman, we try to learn to do things for ourselves. As modern women, we are independent women. So there are certain things that as a woman you want to learn how to do it, so we don't have to depend on the men to do everything for us. And so I've learned this myself, and I'm going to show you how to do this on your own if you don't have anybody around to do it for you with a clogged faucet or a clogged sink. So let's start. And before I do it, I have my tools that I'm going to use. I have the flat screw, which I don't need that, but if your sink is like that, or your screw, that's what you use. And I have the cross one, which is this, and that's what I'm going to need to open mine. And then we're gonna use a little tweezers. You can use a pair of scissors if you don't have tweezers, but we're gonna go through it. I have my gloves. I cannot do that without my gloves, so try to get a gloves before you start doing that, and everything is up to you. So let's get right in and start cleaning this out. Alright, so with our tools ready, we are ready to dig this out. So what I do is, this is the cross screw that I use for mine. You can see how it looks like. And so what I do is, I'm just gonna set this in here and then twist it, try get it out. Just keep doing it. You can just use your hand to twist now. That's some tissue. Alright, look at that. Look at that one already. That's so filthy. And just use this. Then just get that out. Oh my, well, this is nice. Look at that. Terrible. Then you just use this. Whew. No wonder the water is not flowing. See how much buildup you get? Oh my goodness. That's not good. Don't do this in empty stomach. Kind of clog. Using this. Oh my God. This is very, very nasty. Oh, come on. Alright, so let's get this out, these bad boys out of here, so we can get our water to flow. Oh my world. So it's really good to get a tweezer, something that has a sharp edge. Dig in and get everything out. Okay, you're almost there. Get all these out. And one tip that I've learned is once a month, even if you don't get a clog, once a month in here and clean everything out, because it builds up gradually, and then when the water is not flowing anymore, then you know it. All this filth. Now we got everything out. You can see all the way in there. All the way in there. Get it all out. It's all clean. Don't have anything else there. And now we are just going to wash it all out nicely. Yeah. As we finish, I am going to spray. I have a little spray here. I'm going to spray on this. Make sure we clean this before we put it back in and all that. And what I'm using, this is awesome. This is amazing cleaning product. It takes every stain off. You just spray, let it sit for a few minutes and start cleaning, and it cleans every dirty stain. So that's what we're using here to make sure we clean this out good. Okay, so I'm going to start cleaning this out. Alright, we clean this out. See how clean it is already. Look at how shiny that looks. Can you believe it? We just took this out not long ago. Look at how filthy it is. But look at that. So this one is clean, neat. I'm gonna take this out of here. We're gonna wash this as well. I'm gonna clean this here. Just gonna wash this up. I have a special sponge that I use for things like this. Okay, and you can see all washed nicely. It looks so clean, shining. Can't believe it. Clean inside there. Alright, look at how shiny that is. Can't believe it, can you? We did it. We didn't, we did it. Alright, so we are done. We are going to put this back in and put our screws in. Alright, and we are just going to do the same thing. Down and go to the right. Keep going. Keep going. Now you can feel that it's tight now. There we go. Perfect. Now let's turn this on. Now water is flowing. Look at that. That's amazing. Amazing. So everything is done. Nothing is here. Everything is clean now. We are done unclogging our faucet buildup or cleaning our sink drain hair. It's all out. You did a good job. As you can see, I just showed you the best way to clean bathroom sink drain hair, or how to clean bathroom sink faucet buildup. And you can see the process, not that really good. You already saw it. It's not that really good. So, but that is one of the things that will slow your faucet or slow your drain to be going slow and will not drain well. So for me, one tip I'll give you is once a month, if you can, go in, open it up, take everything out. Your drain is always flowing. There's not going to be a buildup, or there's not going to be hair clog or anything, because you know women, we wash our hairs and the hair is what really does the clogging or does the buildup. So I hope this video helps you today to be able to clean your faucet, clean all the drain, clean all the clogs out, get your faucet drain flowing nicely again. I hope this video helps you. If it does, subscribe to this channel, because this channel is all about home and living for modern women. As women, we want to learn everything about our home, cleaning, organizing, and make everything neat. We don't want to depend on anyone to do that for us. So on this channel, I'll help you little by little, things that you can do, tools you can use for certain things. Always helpful to know how to do this around your own home. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me and I'll get back to you as always. Thank you for watching and stay healthy, stay blessed. Hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.